Garlic is one of the most widely used crops in India. It is known for its strong flavor and traditional health value. But the quality of garlic depends heavily on how it is grown. Healthy garlic does not come from shortcuts. It comes from proper farming practices. Garlic grows best in mild weather with well-drained soil. Excess moisture is one of the biggest enemies of garlic. When soil remains wet for long periods, garlic bulbs weaken and become prone to rot. This affects not only yield, but also the quality of garlic we consume. Garlic requires loose soil that allows air circulation around the roots. Heavy or compact soil traps moisture and causes stress. Watering should be light and controlled. Garlic needs less water compared to many other crops. Overwatering leads to soft bulbs and poor storage quality. Sunlight is also important. Garlic plants need good sunlight to develop strong bulbs. Crowded planting reduces airflow and increases the risk of disease. Spacing helps garlic grow evenly and reduces moisture-related problems. Many crop failures happen because these basics are ignored. Poor farming practices lead to poor quality garlic, which affects shelf life and usefulness. Good garlic is firm, dry, and well developed. This starts with balanced watering, proper soil preparation, and patience during growth. Garlic farming is not about speed. It is about balance and observation. When garlic is grown carefully, it stays healthier, stores better, and maintains its natural quality. This channel focuses on explaining farming clearly, from the field to everyday use. If you want to understand crops step by step, without hype or shortcuts, you are in the right place.